The way I talk, you might think I'm a smart guy. But today, I have took a taxi and I left the memory card of this camera at home. Now I had to go all the way back home. The total fare supposed to be 40 dirham and now it's 80 dirham. I was so mad at myself. Now, okay, we are gonna go eat at a restaurant here, like this one. What's the name? Yeah, that's the name over there. That's where we're gonna eat. Let's go in. Let's try this new restaurant. I made them late as well, all of them. Evening. I don't know if the cameras allow it, but allowed here or not. Where we start? Where we start? Here?
They have hot and sour. You want?
Yeah.
Can we get? Yeah. Yeah.
Seafood.
Mine seafood. Yours?
Seafood?
Chicken.
Chicken only. Okay. There is music. There will be copyright strikes for sure.
It's Asian night. We have tikka from India, Indonesia. Nice.
I want that roll.
Get each of
One
one
of
of
each.
each.
Ah.
This one called the dipping.
Yeah, yeah. Thank you. What's the difference?
That's chicken, right?
Yeah.
We have the soup. We start with the soup. We have also Pakistani or what do you call the Indian style food. And we also have main courses, tikka, barbecue, all that stuff. Tonight will be a heavy night.
This is the nasi.
What's this?
Spring roll.
Where's the tabi?
Chicken?
Late. Meeting ko daw.
Correct.
Oh, this is so good.
Huh?
This one's so good. Need to make a reaction video.
Amazing. Oh, the best of the best. Yo, I have biryani,
Kanina, meeting.
loud music, potatoes, some mutton and some chicken, grilled chicken. Look at this. Oh. Good, no?
Yes.
Okay, you wanna buy? Pay me 2,000 now.
Not yet. Discounted,
Here's
huh?
the chicken, yeah.
600 dirhams.
Yeah,
discounted.
grilled chicken.
Hi guys.
Welcome to.
Welcome vlog.
Last time we was here, I was wearing a suit. They're like 60, 70, 100 people, 100. You have healthy food also. Salad, hummus. Hummus. Three. Asian what? Asian flour.
Grills with how many men?
My buddy is gone, is missing. Both are missing.
Waste food.
What is this? This is what I ordered?
Yeah.
You sure? No? This is what biodegradable and compostable straws. I can't even say the word.
Like okay. Just Just chismis, chismis.
What happened? What's the reason?
Chismis number 1.
Oh.
Binigit din nakala ko holder lang.
Okay, boys.
For wherever you...
How much did you? What happened to your card? Okay, we go
We
coffee.
got discount. But he is chismissing.
Yeah.
He chismis. They charge us the full thing.
He said, wash your face here. Okay, we're gonna walk to the coffee shop now. This is the lobby of Dostani. Sheikh, right? And time to go. Thank you, boss. It's far?
Just across her.
She doesn't want to walk all the way there to the metro.
Let's go now. The red board. You'll walk? You'll walk?
Yes.
Sure?
Yes.
It's just over there next to the metro. Boboka, boboka.
I'll walk if you carry my bag.
Give it to me. Give it to me. If I do something stupid, don't be, okay?
Oh, your camera is there, huh? If you
Shut the
drop
fuck up. Okay, Lan.
it, if you're
Yo.
wearing sneakers, yabang nyo kasi.
This is the problem. Last time we had an argument on this bag, and again, I don't know why she carries the whole house with her when she's just going to the office.
But if you need something, you ask me, I have it.
What do you have here?
Lotion.
Lotion? What are you doing? What's your job?
Alcohol.
Alcohol means the one that you cleans your stuff, not the other one.
Comb, wallet, inhalers.
And
So-
what's this in your hand? In your hand, what's this?
Inhaler.
Inhaler?
When you can't breathe.
This is another good Arabic restaurant. What's pack and track? Anyways, I've been using that setup of my headphones almost
Very
1 week. Yeah, this the one I'm using right now. The headset. It's giving me all the details in all the songs. It's important to know what's happening when you listen to music, you know what I mean?
See this?
Yeah.
It's
It's
small,
gonna-
but it's deadly. It has beads, ceramic, break you.
Okay boys, we are at Financial Center, DFC. What's that behind?
IEF.
DIFC.
Starbucks
We're
na
gonna
lang.
go to Starbucks. No, Tim Hortons na lang. The next one is
Ah,
Tim
yeah.
Hortons. That's
Saan
my
maganda ba dyan?
old house here. My old partition
Tanga,
apartment
dyan lang.
or whatever you call that thing. What is this miracle? You choose to go from outside instead of there? What is this miracle, my love?
Dito lang.
The Starbucks is very famous here around this area, right on the corner with a lot of people. But they hookah? Yeah, the smoke on this corner. There's smoke on. No hookah, smoke.
No.
What?
Hookah.
No hookah, only smoking.
It's
like
early, later.
yeah, no, they closed this. This used to be open before. No more. Okay, here we are. Here's the Timmy